Hello everyone, we are from the group Cyber Rely. My name is Saklan Abbas Ali Khan and our project is Advanced Phishing Keylogger. Coming to introduction, in the realm of cybersecurity, advanced threats such as advanced phishing keyloggers have emerged as potent tools for unauthorized access and data theft. This project centers around an advanced phishing keylogger, a malicious tool designed to surreptitiously capture keystrokes while also employing phishing tactics to deceive users into divulging sensitive information. These techniques pose a serious threat to personal privacy and organizational security in today's increasingly digital landscape. Coming to objective, it covertly captures keystrokes, which secretly record user keystrokes on a target system without detection. It integrates phishing tactics, which deceive users through emails or interfaces, coaxing them into sharing sensitive data. It demonstrates unauthorized access, which display how the keylogger can breach accounts by capturing login credentials and confidential information. It highlights ethical implications, which emphasize the ethical and legal concerns, stressing the importance of responsible technology use. Our goal is to reveal the severe risks of advanced phishing keylogger, underlining the urgent need for robust security measures to prevent from personal and organizational data from exploitation.
Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Venkanash Takrupati. My group name is Cyber Relay. Today I need to tell about requirements, basic system requirements. It consists of operating system. Operating system we can use anything Windows or Mac or Linux. And coming to the processor CPU, how can it is contains the minimum 1 gigahertz or faster. Coming to the RAM, it requires the minimum 4 GB or higher. I mean 6 GB or 8 GB or 12 GB can use. Coming to the storage, it's a minimum requirement 64 GB or larger is required. Coming to the internet and Microsoft account, it's required the stable internet connection. You can't use the poor connection like that. Python. Python is a programming language suitable for beginners and it is easy to learn and used for the web development and web applications and the data analysis and data visualization tools and artificial intelligence and also more. In Python libraries, we need to tell about the SMTP lib and it is used for sending emails, used for simple mail transfer protocols under the SSL. It provides the tools for working with SSL and TLS protocols. Coming to the next one, socket. Socket, it is used for the facilities network communication by creating sockets for various protocols. A Pineput allows monitoring and controlling input devices like a keyboards and mice. Request library simplifying the process of making HTTP request. Email, coming to the email, manage the email messages, MIME types and encoding types of emails. Yeah, thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Pawan Subhash Chandra Bose from Group Cyber Rely. Our project is Phishing Keylogger. So I'm going to explain about the implementation of the project. So coming to that, so first of all, in that, this is the code we are actually doing that. So here, as you know, is a Python code. So we have multiple packages installed, such as SMTP library, which is used for, which is called Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is used for sharing mails and all that. And all these libraries were used in this. So we used multiple functions for where each function defines its own error as well. So first this fish email, which generates the phishing email, and after that it sends to it. So as you can see that this is the phishing message, as we are just using a basic phishing message because we don't want to harm anyone. So that's how we are using it. So and we can define whatever we want here. So and after that there are multiple functions. This is a screenshot function, and the following goes to the send email function and the on press sysinfo email and all this. So when the program starts computing, it comes first to this listener function, where when you press a key it goes to the on press function, and when you release a key it goes to on release function, and the system goes on until the program stops. So I'm going to start the program. I'm going to let you know how things work. Okay, thank you. So yeah, so I just started uh, sorry, as I started recording that. So I'm just entering something like that. And hello. Okay, this is good. So I think until now everything has gone to a mail. So I'm gonna stop running the program. So I'm gonna show you this one. So as you can see, this one is the logs, where I got to see the IP address as the profiles of the user. And the second email would be the screenshots email, where we get the user screenshots. So this is where I shown you the code and all such that. So as you can see, this is the screenshot mail. And the third one would be the phishing mail. So as you saw here, this is the dear user, we require you to update your personal information immediately. Click here. So whenever people do this, they just install their virus or phishing website in this right place. So whenever the user or the target user presses that, they got to getting the phishing. So that's how the thing works. Thank you. Have a good one.
Hello, good evening. My name is Sindhu and my topic is results. I'm going to explain about operating system tables and mail services. The table presents information about the capabilities of hypothetical phishing logger various on operating system and mail services. The first table, operating system, this column lists the different as the operating system on the keylogger my target, and the second column platform agnostic. This indicates whether the keylogger can work independently of any specific platform like Windows, Macs, Linux, uh, iOS and Android, and it needs adjustment for each other. And the third column, phishing technique, it describes the methods used to trick user into their information such as fake websites, pop-up messages, and this technique use vary depending on the targeted operating systems. And the fourth column describes that how the keylogger captures the data, and the fifth column describes that the indicators whether the keylogger can be used on different operating system, and some may have a common code base for easier development. And coming to the second slide, the mail services. The first column describes that the services of the keylogger, and the second column describes as the same as the operating system platform dependency, and third column describes that uh, whether the keylogger monitors the inbox and outbox of the mail servers, and the fourth column describes that user to trick user through email such as fake login pages, and fifth column describes that how the keylogger capture data within the email client, and especially focusing on login forms. And the fourth and the third slide describes about the and the third slide describe about the success rate and response rate of the insights of the results, and it may attacks keylogging phishing emails, And here attacking power is like low impact and high impact, and low impact may capture limited data, or a small number of victims have low impact, and high impact that have data breaches, it may have successful phishing results. So here the encryption of the result is, it may encrypt emails and increasing security. It may contain uncertain keystrokes, and it must have promotes better encryption methods for end-to-end security. And overall, it will useful of phishing keylogger simulations for suggesting areas for improvement in this lecture. And I have importance of strong encryption and continuational cybersecurity awareness training. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Balram Reddy. Our topic is Advanced Phishing Keylogger. I'm going to talk the conclusion of this topic. Phishing and keyloggers provide a constant threat in a digital world that is always changing and where technology is still influencing our daily lives. First, in order to reduce this risk associated with cyber threats, one must understand them. While keyloggers quietly record our keystrokes, phishing and out of fraud depends on human weaknesses and both present serious threats to for online safety. Having a focus on the mechanism on their mechanism, possible threats and achievable safeguards. There, this essay aims to clarify the inner workings of phishing and keyloggers. To protect against this risk, it is imperative that people practice awareness, education, and appropriate online conduct. Future issues comes as we continue to fight against keyloggers and phishing scams. So the next is future implication. Keylogger attacks, including advanced phishing keyloggers, pose a critical threat to businesses and individuals. These attacks use a common and invasive type of malware to exploit victims by harvesting user credentials, facilitating account takeover, and more. Keyloggers can lead to a privacy invasion, data theft, security risk, and cyberbullying. They can be installed through various methods, including phishing mails, drive-by downloads, and social engineering. So here are some consequences and concerns about advanced phishing keyloggers. Breach of data and monetary loss. So breach of data. By recording login passwords for multiple online accounts, advanced phishing keyloggers can lead to a large data breaches. This can lead to illegal access to personal, financial, or commercial information. So here comes monetary loss. Unauthorized transactions, financial fraud, and direct monetary losses can occur if a user financially or banking credential are compromised. And there are other consequences and concerns about advanced phishing keyloggers like identify theft and other things. Thank you.